Okay everyone, welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Yoga Isometrics workout. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin today standing, coming to the top of our mat. Our feet can be together or hip-width distance apart. We're going to start by doing a few rounds of sun salutations. So in this workout today, basically we're going to be mixing yoga with isometric training. So it makes for a really fun and unique exercise. So hope you guys enjoy this. So at the top of our mat, when you're ready, on our next inhale, let's bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hug in, hips stay elevated. Inhale, baby cobra. Keeping the gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck. Exhale, bring it back to downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal out the feet. Really waking up the back of the legs here. Keeping your hands active as well, hands actively pushing into the mat. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Great job, you guys. So we got 2 more rounds of this. On your next inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. So just warming up the body here. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart, by your sides. 1 more round, here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Awesome job, you guys. So now we're going to be doing some isometric sun salutations. So if you've come to my channel before, you might be familiar with high intensity sun salutations. So basically it's just a sun salutation mixed with some isometrics in the middle. So I'll explain it as we go here. So again, let's come to the top of our mat, feet together or hip width distance. On your next inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. And from here, we're just going to hold in plank for 30 seconds. So, awesome isometric exercise here, building lots of strength. Keep that core engaged. Heating up the body here as well. About halfway. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, bring it back to downward facing dog. Use this down dog as your rest here. So downward dog is an isometric exercise in and of itself, so we're building lots of strength throughout this practice. And now your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, this time, keeping the feet together, bend the knees to the point where you can only see your two big toes right in between your knees, and bringing the hands up, coming into a chair pose. Pretend you're holding a big beach ball overhead. We'll stay here for 30 seconds. Make sure to breathe. About halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands to your heart, stand up straight. Awesome job, you guys. So that was one isometric and salutations. We got 2 more of those. So when you're ready, let's come back to the top of our mat. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Hold here 30 seconds. Breathing, keeping that core nice and tight. About halfway. Three, 2, 1. Bring it back to downward dog. Catching your breath. You should start to feel this in your arms. I know I am. And now your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, drop it down in a chair. Looking at those 2 big toes right in between your knees. Hands up overhead, core engaged. 30 seconds. About halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Good job, you guys. We got one more round of these. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands. Set it back to plank. 30 seconds. Hold. Halfway. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to down dog. Great job, you guys. And on your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, drop it down in a chair. Last chair pose, guys. We got this. 30 seconds, hold. Keeping that core engaged. Breathe. Halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up. Great job, you guys. Whew. Need some water, feel free. When you're ready, let's come back to the top of our mat and we'll inhale. Bring the hands up once again. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands. This time, step it back to downward facing dog. My arms are burning. Now from here, we'll take a high lunge. So let's inhale, bring that right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee. Step the right foot up in between the hands, keeping that left leg lifted. We'll inhale, rise up, keeping that right knee over right ankle, core slightly engaged, breathe. Stay here for 30 seconds as well. We're halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant the hands, step it back to down dog, breathe. When you're ready on your next inhale, let's bring that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot up in between the hands. On your next inhale, rise up. Keeping that left knee over left ankle, core engaged, breathe. 30 seconds here. Halfway. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. From here, let's lower the knees down as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch. We'll take an extended child's pose here, catching your breath. Awesome job, you guys. From here, you can make your way onto your back if you like, Or if you want, you can come into a seated position of your choice. My full body is feeling it after that one. And when you're ready, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.